Welcome to Mia Money, where we uncover the hidden rules of wealth, investing, and the psychology of money.
Picture this. You are scrolling through social media on a Friday night, and it feels like everyone is making more money than you. Friends posting pictures from Italy, neighbors buying brand new trucks, and peers buying $500,000 houses. Meanwhile, you are sitting on the couch doing mental math. You look out at your reliable but boring car, check your very normal bank account, and wonder what secret you somehow missed. You feel a sinking sensation that you are falling behind. But what if you aren't falling behind at all? What if the people you are comparing yourself to are actually drowning in invisible debt, and you are displaying the exact mathematical signs of someone who is building long-term wealth? My name is Mia. Here on Mia Money, we break down the brutal math of modern life. Today, we are talking about a concept the financial industry actively tries to hide from you. Real wealth is incredibly quiet. It is not a luxury car, and it's not a heavy mortgage that eats up half your paycheck. Building wealth is a slow, psychological grind. In fact, if you are doing things right, you probably don't feel rich at all right now. But if you exhibit 5 specific behaviors, you are secretly winning, even if society is trying to convince you otherwise. Let's look at the signs. Sign number 1 is about how your brain processes a trip to the grocery store. When you are living paycheck to paycheck, your brain operates in survival mode. Every single day, you are forced to make thousands of tiny, exhausting financial calculations. You stand in the aisle agonizing over a $3 coffee or name-brand pasta because losing a single dollar brings you one step closer to financial disaster. But when you hit that first real milestone of saving $10,000 or $20,000, a shift happens in your brain chemistry. You buy what you actually want to eat without checking your banking app in a panic. You realize that obsessing over organic bananas or generic pasta has almost zero impact on your long-term success. You have cured yourself of decision fatigue. This brings us to sign number 2. Your vehicle is a tool, not an identity. Right now, marketing has normalized extreme automotive debt. People routinely sign up for 7 to 10-year loans on luxury SUVs, trapping themselves in ongoing monthly payments just to project an image of success. Take a look at this breakdown. If someone buys a $55,000 truck with an $800 monthly payment, they will spend over $130,000 on transportation, insurance, and maintenance over 7 years. At the end of it, they are left with a depreciating asset worth maybe $15,000. Now, watch how the outcome changes if we shift the strategy. If you take that same $800 monthly payment and invest it into a simple index fund, earning an 8% annual return over those same 7 years, you end up with over $70,000. You might not feel rich driving a 10-year-old car, but by rejecting depreciating debt and freeing up your mental bandwidth from small, stressful purchases, you allow yourself to focus on the macro decisions that actually dictate your future. You sleep perfectly fine while the person in the flashy new truck lies awake stressing over their payments. Sign number 3 is that you have stopped relying on discipline to manage your money. Human willpower is a finite resource. If all your money sits in one giant checking account, your brain treats it like one pool of spending money, which leads to frictionless spending, death by 1,000 little swipes for takeout and random Amazon purchases. Instead, you automate your finances using a 2-account system. You have a designated account where your fixed bills are automatically paid, and a separate spending account with a strict limit for groceries and coffee. When the system handles the limits for you, overspending becomes mathematically impossible, and you never have to exhaust your willpower. And that system leads directly to sign number 4, acquiring walking away money. When you have zero savings, you are trapped. You have to tolerate toxic coworkers and mind-numbing work because you absolutely need that next paycheck to survive. But when you cross that 5-figure mark in your savings, your brain exits survival mode. This buffer physically lowers your stress hormones because you know that if everything goes sideways, you have 3 to 6 months of breathing room to find a new opportunity. This creates a shift in how you navigate the world. You aren't desperate for a paycheck. You walk into a job interview with actual confidence. You can push back on unreasonable demands or negotiate for a higher salary because you have the financial floor to say no. You aren't acting like a subordinate. You're acting like an equal. The final sign that you are secretly getting rich is that you understand that simply hoarding cash isn't the same as building wealth. If you leave $10,000 in a traditional savings account earning 1%, you make $50 in an entire year. You are actually losing purchasing power as inflation rises. To build wealth, you split your finances into 2 distinct buckets. You keep static, safety money in an emergency fund to protect you from life's random disasters, like a $1,200 break job. Because that safety money doesn't move, you are free to build a second bucket, growth money. For your growth money, you follow the boring but powerful strategy recommended by Warren Buffett, consistently buying low-cost index funds that track the S&P 500. Historically, this has returned an average of 10% per year over long periods. This is where the physics of your money changes. A $20,000 investment earning a 10% return generates $2,000 in a single year without you lifting a finger. At this point, the growth of your investments begins to do the heavy lifting for you. True investors don't panic during market drops because their safety money is intact. This allows their growth money to act as seeds in the soil, patiently compounding in the background while they focus on their own lives. If you recognize yourself in these 5 signs, you have shifted your entire relationship with money. You no longer view it as something that just vanishes every month. You see it as a tool that multiplies your life options. You aren't trying to keep up with people taking on $500,000 mortgages that eat up nearly half their take-home pay. There is no trophy for being house poor, and there is no prize for buying a life you cannot afford just to impress others. Real wealth is quiet. It is the breathing room to control your own time, the mental clarity to sleep well at night, and the freedom to design a life based on your actual desires rather than societal pressure. If you are on this path, keep going. The hardest part, the initial climb, is behind you. Your momentum is building, and the math is starting to work in your favor. If these 5 signs sound familiar, you are winning the game of wealth. If this helped validate your journey, hit that subscribe button for more reality checks. I'm Mia, and I'll see you in the next one on Mia Money.